Hello and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today I want to talk about the importance of community. Most of my life when it comes to telekinesis, I've been doing telekinesis by myself, for myself. And I always assumed this is a part of telekinesis. That you draw the power from within and use the power on an object. No other people around, no other people involved. And I thought for a very long time that is what it was about. Since I've started this YouTube channel though, I realized something. I realized and experience the power of community and friendship and love to other people. When I started this YouTube channel, I expected lots of hatred, to be honest. I've expected people to not believe. I've expected to be isolated, even more isolated than I was before. But then I did the first videos, and what I've experienced was quite the opposite. You guys had me welcome. You were so great to me. You're still so great to me. There's so much love in the comments. And I cannot say how much I appreciate that. I appreciate you so much. You give me power, just like I try to give power back. You give me so much energy and motivation to, first of all, of course, teaching you telekinesis, but also practicing telekinesis myself and becoming better every day, not in just telekinesis, also as a person. I want to be healthier, I want to be better and more kind to others. I want to be a good person, I want to be helpful, and this is thanks to you. I just reached 5,000 subscribers, 5,000 people sitting right there, listening to what I have to say, reading the comments you are writing. We are a community. We're strong, and we're getting stronger every day. And I'm so grateful for you. And I hope we keep growing together. Because maybe it's just a YouTube channel. What does it even mean? We are a community. We are a family. At least, that's how I see things. I see you guys as my sons and daughters, brothers and sisters. And I'm very grateful for having here this opportunity to stand in front of a camera but talk to thousands of people. And through comments you can talk to me back, and then we communicate in the comment section. It makes me so happy that we have a possibility like that. 20 years ago that wouldn't have been possible. Now it is. 5,000 people. I can't say enough how grateful I am for you. I want to share something with you. When it comes to telekinesis or living life, there's one thing which is more important than we think. It's friendship. And I've experienced friendship through this YouTube channel to to you guys in a different way than I could have ever imagined. Friendship to a community of people who work together, try to learn together, try to get better every day. And this is beautiful. Community. This is what this video is about. I appreciate the community.